Come on, snap your fingers, do it right. You can do it all by yourself. It's your girl Garbie. Welcome back. I'm excited to show you guys how I created this look. What actually happened was I had Google remind me of I think a makeup I did like a year ago, and I was like, oh my god, where did my creativity go to? So I decided to bring out a little bit of the creative side of me and create this amazing look. If you think you'll be interested in knowing how to do this, kindly keep on watching because I brought everything and more that you can imagine. As you can see, I've done my eyebrows off camera. The next step is just to prep my eye and start with the eyeshadow one. Today is going to be based on the dramatic eyeshadow look that you're going to enjoy. Thank you for riding with me on this journey. I cannot appreciate you enough. Let's get right into it. Face paint, I'm going to be doing a voiceover because it's going to be a lot, and to talk through it is going to be like a lot for me to do. So I'm just going to do the process. If you think this is something you like or something you would like to try out, keep watching. And to my fans, my returning subscribers, my returning tribers, you guys are the best. Thank you. I cannot thank you enough. I'm super happy and excited that my channel is growing. Lately I've got a lot of brand collaborations, so you see me doing a lot of reviews, you know, giving my thoughts and recommendations on stuff to spend your coins on, okay? So before I talk too much, let's just get right into this look. But just know that I love and appreciate you all. Thank you for riding with me on this journey. I cannot appreciate you enough. Let's get right into it. So now we come to the end of this look. If you loved me creating this look, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the post notification bell so you know when I have new videos, and don't forget to share away. Another thing I would like you to know is if you're going to recreate this look, kindly tag me so I know that I'm influencing you a little bit and that you're enjoying the stuff I bring on my channel. Till next time, bye guys.